This is the Standing Wave Rider, the channel for riders, radio operators, and explorers. In this video, I'm going to test the JPC-350 multiband antenna and see how well this antenna actually performs in real-world conditions. The JPC-350 is a compact portable HF antenna designed for operators who enjoy field activities like POTA and SOTA, supporting the 80, 40, 20, 17, 15, 12, 10, and 6 meter band. It offers a wide range of operating possibilities and comes with a convenient and robust carrying bag. The antenna kit contains a ground stake, a set of ground radials, an extension section, a connection base with a PL259 female connector, an adjustable loading coil, and a telescopic antenna element. The assembly of the antenna takes about 4 minutes, roughly tuned to the right band. Fine-tuning requires an antenna analyzer or a nano VNA to achieve the lowest SWR. Following are the measuring results per band, measured with a nano VNA. Conclusion. These are the stations I have worked with this antenna with a maximum power of 100 watt. The antenna parts are made out of robust materials and don't feel cheap. The only recommendation would be to replace the flat cable ground radials with 3 or more normal multi-stranded copper wires of 1.5 mm squared. It would be easier to spool up the wire on the reels provided with the antenna, without tangling. But other than that, this antenna is an absolute keeper, especially for portable use, and gets 5 stars. Like and subscribe for more radio and motorcycle videos.